तहजीब से भरी कश्मीर की गली. So I started by painting my nails red to get in the bridal feels. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead with the concealer. Here I'm using the Too Faced concealer, one of my absolute favorites, and just priming my eyelids. Next up, I picked the Sperkybelle eyeshadow palette and taking that warm rusty brown shade, here I'm packing it in the shape of a full cut crease. Next up, blending it out using a precision blending brush. Further, I'm going to clean the excess product with a wet wipe for a cleaner cut crease. Here I'm just cutting my crease using some concealer, and mind you, we are doing a double full cut crease. Firstly, packing in that golden shimmer shade. Then again cleaning up the cut crease area for the second cut crease to come in. Here I am packing in some concealer and further packing in that olive green eyeshadow shade and marking it in the inner half of my eye. Next, for the rest of the lid, I'm using a combination of these two pink shimmer shades and placing it all over. Lastly, gonna go ahead and apply a thick eyeliner and blend it and smoke it out with a black eyeshadow. And then I felt the bridal eyes lacked a little bit of glamour, so here I'm adding just a touch of glitter in the centers of my eyelids. To complete the eye look, adding in a pair of falsies, and we're almost done with the eyes. Now onto the skin. Here I am to hydrate my skin firstly with the Los Angeles Primer Oil. It provides a really nice glow and hydration to the skin. After priming, I'm going to make my foundation concoction. For that, I'm using the Smashbox Radiance Primer mixed in with the Sugar Range of Coverage Foundation and applying it all over my face. It's a beautiful, full coverage yet luminous combination. Moreover, I had some excess foundation, so I'm using the same as my concealer. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bronze my skin with the Pac Studio pen stick. It's a very beautiful, creamy product that blends in effortlessly with your base. And to set the face in place, I'm going to use the Huda Beauty Banana Powder. Again, I'm baking underneath my eyes because we have such heavy eye makeup going on. So we could really use that brightening underneath the eyes. Next up, for the blush, I'm using the Pac Studio blush in the variant 01. Further glazing the high points of my face using the Pac Loose Highlighter in the variant 01. Here I'm adding a little more depth to the lower lash line with the Earth Rhythm Kajal. Then onto my lips. Firstly, I'm going to line my lips with the Forever 52 lip crayon to give it a nice shape. I prefer to overline my lips slightly, and that's what I'm doing here. Further, I'm going to pick one of my favorite coral nude shades, that is the Driver's Seat by Smashbox, and that's the lipstick for the D-Day. Lastly, adding in some finishing touches, and your Jammu Kashmiri bride is ready for her big day.